If you love miso soup but are not sure how to use that big tub of miso paste, then this recipe is for you. Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this miso chicken recipe creates rich and flavorful chicken with a hint of sweetness and nuttiness. This versatile marinade is not only simple to prepare, but it's also suitable for a variety of chicken cuts, whether you're baking a whole chicken, grilling chicken thighs, or preparing chicken breasts for grilling or baking. Within the recipe post, I share instructions for grilling and baking each cut of meat. However, the secret for luxurious tasting chicken really comes down to the marinade. It's important to note that each cut of meat also has a different length of marination time, with chicken breasts taking the least amount of time. One secret when baking, regardless of the cut of chicken, is to broil the chicken the last few minutes of cooking. This will help to give the miso chicken a gorgeous caramelization that adds to the depth of flavor. This recipe works beautifully in grain bowls or lettuce wraps, as an Asian fusion taco, or simply as a main dish. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.